So I have been procrastinating this video for so long that I even forgot where the record button was on the camera, honestly. So this is a video that I have struggled to make for so many months, maybe this whole year of 2024, right? And I have built a huge brand on LinkedIn, a huge personal brand that's got me clients, made me loads of cool new friends. I've been on the top 100 list of the top 100 Google Ads specialists in the world, which was amazing and honestly like an absolute pleasure. And a lot of those people on that list, I'm so grateful to call my friends now, people that I talk to on the daily, people that I collaborate with, work with on the day to day, like so many cool people that I've met through building my personal brand. But video is something that I have never really, done, right? I've done short videos. I've done some, scripted short videos, to be honest, and they've done pretty well. But off the cuff, raw, authentic videos is what I personally like watching. So that's what I really want to bring to YouTube and really want to bring to my audience is just the raw, kind of like you're going out to the pub with a mate, right? You're going down the pub for a pint, you're going to the coffee shop with a friend to, talk about things. I want it to very much feel like that. Like we're just having a chat, we're just having an authentic, real chat without any agenda, without anything, that we're talking about as far as like products or services or anything like that. So that's kind of the thing. When you try to be authentic, actually, you wonder, where do you start, right? Like when you're trying to be raw like this and just talk to the camera, where do you actually start? And that's something I've struggled with. So what I'll start with is just what I have been up to today. So today is a Thursday. Honestly, forgotten the day of the week it is because last night I was up till like 2, 3 a.m. filming modules for my new LinkedIn course that I'm doing, which is a course for PPC specialists, Google Ads specialists, a LinkedIn like playbook full course. It's the first like full video course I've ever done. I've released some playbooks and stuff before and I've got my community, but it's the first proper video course I've done before. So I've learned so much with previous stuff I've released and over the last year, my presenting skills, I would say like the way I can help people learn has come along so far. And obviously it's like a developing skill, right? It's basically public speaking and it's basically explaining things in a way that's digestible for people. But I'm really excited for people to try out this course. I'm just been working really hard on it, basically. As I said, been up since 2, 3 a.m. last night, just literally going at it. Yeah, like crazy, like spending so long. This chair is sort of annoying me as well because it kind of makes noises when you move a little bit, which is a shame. I don't know if there's something wrong with the chair or what, but that's what you get to listen to when you're just looking at an unedited version of my videos. All the good, all the bad, all the pretty, all the ugly. That's what you get to see. And that's, I guess, my promise to you, really. Because that's what I enjoy watching, shooting the stuff in every week, right? So I just recorded a video, a podcast actually, and that's what I'll start with. I'll just tell you about my day. I'll just tell you about what I've been up to. I know a lot of people message me. I get a lot of messages of people that are interested in what I do every day, my day in the life of like a 27-year-old entrepreneur, a 27-year-old Google Ads expert, what I get up to every day. I'm a freelancer, I have my own clients, and I also run a community. I post content on LinkedIn. I have an email newsletter. I do quite a lot of things. So every day is kind of different for me. So I think it's really interesting when you get to see behind the curtain of that operation and all the things that go into it. And I'd really like to share the behind the scenes, the interesting, as I said, the good, the bad, and the ugly as well, right? Because I don't want it to be some edited like show reel of my life. That's obviously cool, but not really what I want to power into the world, right? I just want to be really authentic myself. And some people say it's your superpower, right? Is your authenticity. It's your superpower is just being you. I always say you are your own niche, right? Like people try and niche down all the time, but they are their own niche actually when you come down to it, right? You have your own challenges, your own story, your own journey. You have all the things that make you are really what makes your niche, makes you interesting, makes you build a brand that people want to follow and people are interested in. But sometimes I don't take that advice for myself. So I've been pondering about all these different things. Hey, what do I film videos about? What do I share in the videos? Like, how do I structure them? Where do I put the camera? What do I film? Like, I'm sure you've probably, if you're sitting there at home watching this, you've probably had a similar struggle. If you're thinking about, being a YouTuber or starting to post on YouTube at all, basically. So I'll just start off with telling you, what I did during my day. I'd like to document the journey as well. I think it'd be really, really cool. It's something that I've done more this year in 2024, and I never really did before. Obviously, I posted on LinkedIn, but I didn't really document the journey that much. And I think it's super important to document your journey as you go through life. It's really important to remind yourself of the wins, of the experiments that you've done, things that have gone well, things that haven't gone so well, and the lessons you learn from that, right? And that's how you grow as a person. So I think documenting the journey in this way is going to be super, super cool to take you guys along with me. And yeah, hopefully you enjoy the ride. Hopefully you enjoy the video.